return to MG Tracy. Now, in the 14 years that I have been on YouTube, I've had a look at lots of gadgets, as well as putting my music and my favourite travel tips on there. But I've decided to have a look at some of the budget items that were available from Temu, from TikTok Shop, and today we're going to start with a few bits and pieces from Dollar Tree. So pricing's all over the place with Dollar Tree now, you're never quite sure what you're going to pay for it. But this mini portable desktop vacuum is still $5. But actually, does it really do anything at all? So it sounds very good value. Let's undo the box, get some batteries in and see how we get on. Some instructions. Just talks about the vacuum, the nozzle attachment, and says there's a manual, which I think we've covered. Right, so there is the nozzle. Here's the vacuum itself. So I've got some bristles there. I presume you just fit the nozzle in there, yeah. So if you're going to vacuum like that, you're just going to do that. So let's get the batteries in. So you push this button just to pull that top off. And we've actually got the batteries the right way around, so the plus there. On the top one, the opposite, I think. Just make sure the little slidey on. Yeah, that's working. Let's put the lid on there. Now on the bottom, if you're unscrewing this, there's a few bits. You've got the brush bit, and then you've actually got a filter in there. So there's a little, I don't know if you can make that, a little mini filter, and there's the bit that's creating the vacuum. So all of this needs to be cleaned and washed every so often. Like all filters in vacuums, it'll just get full of whatever you're vacuuming. Okay, so that's great. Right, we're all ready to go there. Let's make sure that's all lovely. And I think we'll try it without the tool first. Let's put some Rice Krispies or some dust or something on here, and let's see how we get on. Will it actually vacuum up anything for $5 in Dollar Tree? Here we go then. So I've got some sort of Rice Krispie breakfast silver here, so I was going to try two little piles. One is just, it might end up on your desk, and then over here I was going to crunch that down and make that a bit more dusty. And see if that actually vacuums anything up. Okay, let's have a go with the Rice Krispies first. Oh my god, it actually works. I was not expecting it to work. It's created a fair bit of dust as it spun them out the side, but I guess we can vacuum it up. Now we'll have a go at this one. So actually, for small dust, a fair bit comes out of those Rice Krispies. So the big bits are vacuumed up, but you're getting a lot of crunched up Rice Krispies coming out. So I think if you was actually hoovering up dust, that may well be going straight in and out, but it does actually vacuum. So that's that. We'll just try it now, I think, with the attachment and see how that goes. Sorry about the washing machine running in the background. Right, I've got that one, the little nozzle on. Let's see if that will still work. Actually, some of the bits are a bit too big for that, so that didn't work too well. If we have a go at the smaller stuff, then yeah, that works out there. Is this a really practical thing that you're going to use every day of your life? I don't know, probably not, but it's a lot of fun, and for $5 I think it's quite a good gift. We just need to empty that now, see what was inside. Okay, let's see what we picked up then. You can hear it crunching. Oh, there you are, quite a bit. And the finer stuff is in the filter side there. I don't know. I think $5, that's probably quite a fun gift. Is it going to mean you don't need your Sharpie or Dyson anymore? Probably not, but there we go. So there you are, that's the review then of the Bytech $5 desktop vacuum that is currently in Dollar Tree. So if you want to give someone a fun present for Christmas, then maybe that's the answer. It does work. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be doing a few more bits and pieces of gadgets and gimmicks over the next month or so in the run up to Christmas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Paul from London, currently somewhere a little bit sunnier, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.